Hearing unexpected noises in your home is a surefire way to scare just about anyone. One minute you're easing into dreamland in the evening, and the next you're hearing a mysterious bump coming from another room. Of course, there could be a good chance that the disturbance could be chalked up to a strong gust of wind, knocking something over, or an old creaky floorboard under the weight of your wandering dog. Still, you can't truly know unless you check it out yourself. Tara McVicker certainly knew all about odd noises. When she recently heard a strange rustling coming from the inside of her closet in her home, she reluctantly decided to investigate. But when she opened the door, she was horrified by what she found living inside. When Tara opened the closet door, she couldn't believe her eyes. There was an adult possum on the floor, all nestled inside of a garbage bag. That's when she knew she had to break out her camera and film the entire ordeal. Of course, Tara had no idea how the critter had gotten into her home and into her closet. But one thing was clear: if she wanted her life to return back to normal, she had to get her out as quickly as possible. "I don't know how he got in, and I don't know how to get him out," Tara said as she filmed the entire ordeal. All the while, she knew the longer she waited, the more difficult it would be to remove the animal. If there's one thing to know about possums, is that they don't take kindly to people poking and prodding them. So after explaining the situation to the camera, Tara's first plan of attack was to simply ask the wayward marsupial to leave her closet. "All right, possum, you can't live in my closet, buddy," Tara calmly told the critter, all while attempting to maneuver a series of items out of the way to give her a clear path out of the storage space. But, as you can imagine, the possum felt threatened, as she had no way of knowing Tara was there to help. That's when she gave her the scare of a lifetime, and she suddenly hissed at her. Turns out, possums can be pretty mean. The hissing only made going back into the closet to remove the angry animal that much more daunting. Tara's next removal attempt involved putting on a gardening glove and grabbing a broom to see if she could usher her out. Slowly, she opened the bag, but that only angered the possum further. Not only did she continue to hiss, but she firmly held her ground in the plastic bag. That's when Tara grabbed her broom and decided she was going to have to be more aggressive. Tara's poking the garbage bag with the broom only made things worse, and the animal continued to hiss in her direction. "It's a terrifying sound, but you're relatively cute," she could be heard telling the marsupial. After another round of hisses, Tara re-entered the closet to find a much more relaxed possum. That's when she noticed something she hadn't before. The animal had been guarding something all along: her babies. Suddenly, Tara's whole demeanor changed. While just moments ago she'd been panicked about the large animal taking shelter in her closet, she instantly became mushy. "It's the cutest thing I ever saw," she told the camera. Once Tara suddenly realized why the possum had been so defensive all along, she couldn't help but change her tune. It all made so much sense why the possum had been so stubborn and protective in the first place. Tara's phone died momentarily, and in that time, she managed to collect a couple of the babies and brought them to a rabbit hutch in her backyard. She was also sure to let the mama possum see that she could be reunited with her little ones once she exited the closet. Next, Tara set up a basket for the possum and her remaining babies to climb into. "You just have to get into the basket and I'll take you to them. It's a win-win. I can wait all day long, mama," Tara could be heard saying. But it was clear that the possum was hesitant to climb into the basket. So Tara decided it was better to let the animal move at her own pace. Just a few moments later, she emerged from the closet on her own toe. Slowly but surely, the mother possum and her babies began to slink their way through her home. All the while, Tara assumed that she must be looking for the other babies. Soon, they would all be reunited once more. As the mother possum made her way toward the back door, Tara couldn't believe all that had taken place. Moments later, the possum finally stepped outside for the first time.